This is Grant with the King Pierce team out here at the True Green warehouse. This is going to be our final walkthrough video on the exterior. Keith just got done doing this backfill. He is working his magic on that machine. We appreciate all of his hard work. You can see it's all cleaned up and looking good now. From all the other videos, you can see that there was a big mess back here, getting those 10 piers in along this wall, getting that lifted and stabilized. But when you've got a team full of excellent workers who are good at what they do, you can get a final result that looks like this. Show you right there, those pop-up valves that French drain on this side is running into. And then we've got French drain on this side that's running up into those pop-up valves down here on the end of this building, down here on the corner. There's Enrique and Mago. Thank you guys for your hard work. Crack right there was patched and remortared.